When we hear the buzzwords of DNA, genomic results, molecular breeding values, genotypes, we wonder, how does the complexity of this all fit together in terms of cattle production and selection tools, EPDs, and indexes? Right now, probably more than we've ever seen in the last 10 years, we see accessibility to genomic tests, but more importantly, we see that technology seamlessly incorporated into our expected progeny differences and indexes. So keep in mind, while the content of discussing genomics might seem quite complicated, the benefit of our national cattle evaluation procedures, particularly with the Charolais breed, is that the genomics are seamlessly incorporated into those EPDs. You might hear them called genomic enhanced EPDs. What that means is we've added an additional piece of information into the cattle evaluation. Traditionally, genetic evaluations had performance data like weights and measures and a traditional pedigree that you might see on a registration paper. Now we've incorporated the genomic piece into that evaluation model as well. We know the heritabilities, those genetic parameters for the traits. We know the relationships among the animals through that pedigree information. And so we have genomic enhanced EPDs that you utilize just like you've used EPDs traditionally over time. One of the added bonuses of incorporating genomic information into a national cattle evaluation is that we're increasing the predictability of those values coming from the evaluation. You'll see a bump in those accuracy values, or giving us a feel for the amount of information that's contributing to the EPDs that you see. I mean, that's really what accuracies do. They range from 0 to 1, and the larger that value is, or increasing to 1, the more information that's going into it. Genomic values incorporated into a national cattle evaluation give you that additional bump in accuracy. I think it's important to stay practical in terms of looking at accuracy values. Our young sires, for example, they're the new genetic material for the breed, and they may not have as an extensive or aggressive accuracy value as, say, AI sires that have been used extensively in the population. That doesn't mean that they're bad, that just means they're the new genetic material for the breed. And so with genomics incorporated into our national cattle evaluation procedures, we're able to get a little more benefit or a little more accuracy increase, adding to the predictability of the EPDs and ultimately the indexes as well.